Are you looking to grow your business online? What about gain more customers? If the answer is yes, you've come to the right video channel. My name is Mark Clayborne, and I'm the motivational marketing expert. And over the last 2 years, I've helped many business owners grow their business online by teaching them affiliate marketing, how to become an authority in the particular area, distribution and reach, meaning how to reach more customers and get more attention for your company. Also, audience. How do you find your audience? How do you go deep and find the people that are looking for what you offer? And also YouTube strategies, massive YouTube strategies to grow your business beyond your dreams, and more topics. Now, the reason why I created this channel is because I want to help you find your inner power inside of you so you can believe in your mind that you can get unlimited customers and leads whenever you want, also using the marketing and technique strategies that I teach inside of my YouTube channel. Now, I normally post 2 times a week, and when I do post, I post in the evening. And the reason why I post in the evening is so you'll have more and more time to absorb the stuff that you're going to learn. Now, in order for you to get notified of any video that I post when it comes to marketing and lead generation and conversion, you have to subscribe. So this is the time that you do that. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Now, if you really want to get notified every single time I post a new video, you have to turn on your notification feature. Now, YouTube, there's a notification bell. All you have to do is hit that notification bell. And once you turn that on, every single time I post a new video, you will get notified. Again, this is Mark Clayborne, the motivational marketing expert, and I hope to see you very soon.